In this video, I will show you how to create a car rental website in Wix. So first, what you're going to do here is you have to go to wix.com. So you can type here wix.com and it will take you directly to their site. And what you're going to do is you have to create or sign up an account. You can sign up using your Google account. You can also sign up using your email and password. So this is the dashboard of Wix, and these are my sites right here or templates. In order for you to create car rental website using Wix, what you're going to do is you have to click this create new site right here, tap this one, wait for a couple of seconds, and as you can see, create sites with Wix Studio's new editor for agencies and freelancers. You can try this Wix Studio where you can see upgraded features and upgraded options and updated design, but you could also try and stick to create on Wix editor. So we're going to stick with this one right here, create on Wix editor. Now, as you can see, bring ideas to life with AI. You can start chat, you can ask prompt, you can ask ideas from AI, but you can also set up without chat. So I prefer this one right here. Pick this. And what type of website do you want to create? So, for example, it's about car rental. Okay, so car rental company, you can also tap this motorcycle, car services, but we're going to tap this car rental company right here. And then after that, tap continue. Wait for a couple of seconds, and it's now preparing your dashboard. So here on your dashboard, you can set up your payment method. You can set up this or you can add pay links. But before that, let's just add first the name of your car rental. Let's just say car rent now, or we can say rent now, something like that. Okay. And then you can also add, let's just say rent now 1990. And then tap continue. So do you already have an online store? No, I'm just starting out. Yes, I'm already selling online. Let's just tap this one because let's just say you're just a beginner. Continue. And then here, what kind of products are you selling? Let's just say because it's car rental, it's services. Okay. Also, maybe we can try this physical products, digital products. And then after that, tap continue. Now, how are you offering your products? Of course, let's just say online store if you have other materials to sell, and also in person. Okay, we can also tap this marketplaces in social media. We're going to promote our car rental services. Tap continue, and then continue to dashboard. So, like what I've mentioned earlier, this is your design or website dashboard. It's totally different from other dashboard right here. It's different from my other website like Therapy, Andy Clicks. Everything I set up here is totally different. So on your dashboard, you can set up or connect setup, pay links, you can set up your invoices, price codes, proposals, booking calendar if you want to add some booking calendar here, or if you want to set up bookings, sales, all payments, catalog. If you want to add some products on your store, you can see it right here. Application, if you want to add applications, or let's just say integrate your website. So before we proceed with this, let's go on to our design site. Okay, so how would you like to design your website? You can ask a help from AI. You can generate a design or you can pick a template. And I highly recommend pick a template for beginners. So tap pick a template right here. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. So here are the results for car rental companies. You can just choose from any of this template right here, and they also give this best match for you. It's up to you if you want to try this. And of course, if you upgrade your plan, the more templates you can choose. So you just have to click the one that is best for you. Let's just say you want to click this. Okay, so you are offering car rentals for vintage car, but you can also try this one. So that we tap this one right here. If you want to edit, just tap edit. It will take you directly to your website template. Here you can add elements, you can add features, you can add some contact forms, something like that. You can design your template right here before you publish your car rental website. And as you can see, it's now preparing your site. While preparing, I'm going to show to you if you want to create a best template that you can add for your Wix. You can also try Canva. Here you can search for car rentals and it will show you something like designs and templates also. And all you have to do is to simply add your car, of course, the image of your car, and edit something here, add the name of your car rental company. And what you're going to do is you just have to save this one. For example, this one right here. I'm going to change everything like the name. So for example, I'm going to change this with Rent Now by Andrea. Okay. Okay, you can just basically edit everything here. Everything is up to you. You can change the background color if you want. So, so once you're done with this, then you can just simply tap share and then download this. Make sure it's PNG and then download. Now go back to your Wix. And then as you can see, this is your Wix. It's adding checkout and orders and everything. You just have to wait for that. Okay, so here you can see this add elements. If you want to add text, image, buttons, strip, gallery, embed code, payments, blog, and so on to your template, you can just add. For example, if you want to add a button right here, and you're going to change this with call now, and then you just have to link your page right here, web address, or everything is up to your phone number. Okay, and then after that, click done. So basically, if they tap this one, it will take them directly to your phone number, and all they have to do is to click that, and so on. You can also add section right here. For example, like what I've mentioned earlier, for this example contact form, in order for your customer to reach you directly, so you can tap this and basically add any design of contact form right here, and you will see it right here. Okay, so they just have to add their name, email, message, and send. So as with the pages ending new, okay, so you can see all of the options and features that you add right here. You can see it on site pages ending new. You can also edit your theme, site design, if you want to change something. If you want to add some applications, you can go to Wix App Market. And then here, if you have linked to a business site or page, and then if you want to upload your social media accounts, go to this site right here. CMS, this one is optional. Now, in order for you to add products here on your Wix, then what you're going to do is go back to your dashboard, go to catalog, go to store products, tap products here, and here is where you're going to add your product. So let's just say you're going to click this new product, physical or digital. Let's tap this digital right here, upload a file. It's now uploading the car add product. So now you can add pricing and information about your product right here, and then tap save. Now talking about the picture that I have created earlier in Canva, here you can add section, tap add element, click image, upload image, and here it is. So basically, you can just adjust and create more like this using Canva, but actually this one is optional. Okay, so that's it. Now, once done, you can now tap save, preview, or you can also look at the mobile view. And then once you're okay with everything, what you're going to do is you just have to click publish, and that's it. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.